Well, first of all, we'll be encouraged by their defense last time. And then they become physical to us. And then that's what they did. A little bit more physical. And imagine last time, so they were able to sum all of our players in two quarters without foul. So I guess that's the key. And this time, so in spite of that high intensity on their defense, we're able to break it and we're able to give the ball to our big man, especially Jumar. And Arwin is really important in our team because he's the one dictated the tempo of the game. He became physical. Talagang hinarap niya si Abueva, and that's what we want. And that's I think that's the big factor. But plus the players, alam nila na before winning a championship, kailangan manalo ng 4. And then yung first game namin, isinet aside namin. Yung first game, isinet aside, and let's start a new series. And for the fact na lumamang kami at 22 points in the first game, so we have something in our team. And doon kami nagduelang namin ng lakas ng loob. Plus, of course, the management told us that this is just a first game, a long series, so forget the past and think of the future.
Tingin mo na solve nila yung riddle ng pressure defense nila?
Oh well, yung ginawa ni Chris Ross, I think that's what I need from him. Both on offense and defense, I instructed him to pressure their point guard, especially Casio, and try to deny their wingman. And if ever na may bola sila, we're trying to pressure them, and we're trying to deny all the possible entry passes, especially to the big man. And we're able, I think, the key here is, they were not able to double Junmar. And because in the first game, every time he has the ball, so nakakuha. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng adjustment. So gusto namin, pagka nakakuha siya, panira natin sa loob. And then after watching the tape, so we know what they're doing, so doon kami nag-adjust. It's a very simple adjustment lang. Isinimplify lang namin yung laro namin, yung play namin, para madali maintindihan ng player because in my experience with my team, we need a lot of time, especially if we have a new player. So we introduce another play which is a very simple for them to observe.
Junmar, coach, lumabas kung dito na papunta ng dagat. Concern kaya yun?
Yeah, I'm really concerned because talagang kanina masakit yun But I know Junmar, he's a big heart and actually before the game I want to be a monster, sabi niya. But talagang malakas din yung Alaska and makikita niyo yung defense nila from start to finish talagang But in the middle of the fourth quarter, I know nag-give up na sila dahil it's a different last 5 players do sa endgame nila and sabi ko ito na yon. But hindi ako mag-supply dahil I did not replace them because they are capable of to come back and inalalayan na lang namin yan. Well, I think ito yung magiging atmosphere sa game dahil I think it's good for the fans dahil everybody wants to win. Kaya nagiging physical because ng mga player, so they want to win Everybody wants to win. Kaya lang, dapat isa lang yung mananalo. And this time, we prevailed. And I'm happy for them, especially the player dahil hindi sila nag-give up. Yung fighting spirit nila ay nandun dahil imagine they were able to catch up and take the lead. I think 5 points or 6 points. But I think the turning point is yung playground foul ni Manuel, and doon nag-rally mga player dahil and I'm happy to see my players, especially si Merad, talagang even if he's a rookie, ginawa niya yung trabaho niya, ginawa niya yung role niya, and talagang I think that's a big factor because nakapagpahinga si Arwin, naando siya dahil our biggest problem is talaga si Abueva because of his energy. And minutes lang namin para dito kay Semerad. And also yung defense ni Umulon, even though he's not scoring, but yung energy niya na andun eh. And this time, because of you guys, as a media, been criticizing our team because mahaba yung playing time, yung rotation kulang. So natuto ako doon. Thank you for that comment, dahil yung substitution pattern namin is different now.
May tinaramdam ba si Alex Cabag?
No, si Alex Cabag wala naman, but maganda yung laro ni Chris Ross eh. And I told them na whoever plays well, so yun na nasa loob. And it's very evident naman sa game eh. And he was able to to direct the team eh. And then kaya kami nag-breakaway because of his yung pagiging architect niya doon sa loob. And I'm happy na nasunod lahat yung game plan namin. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.